Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. I have received an enormous amount of requests for this Xbox. Everybody wants to know what's in an Xbox. It was very difficult to get this one, but I finally got one. Now let's take it apart and see what's in it. We're going to start by removing these little covers here to get the screws out. Okay, so far, see a hard drive. Alright, so we have what looks like to be a power supply. This is just a typical disk drive. And inside, we have a motherboard. That out there, nice little heatsink, and a little CPU attached to the motherboard. You have this little board here. Then in here, you have a little motor. The rest of this is, I'll just call it steel, and you have another motor there. So now that's what's in an Xbox. Now let's weigh everything. We have 2 pounds 7 ounces of steel, 4 ounces of a low-grade board, 7 ounces of aluminum, 1 ounce of bright wire, 3 ounces of wire, 0.7 ounces for a motor, 1 ounce for a transformer, 1 pound for a hard drive. We have about 11 ounces for some boards that have a little bit of coating of gold. Alright guys, that's what's in an Xbox. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!